Setting up your Pinterest account. Ready to dive into Pinterest, but not sure how to set up your account? Whether you're using Pinterest for inspiration or to grow your business, choosing the right type of account is the key to success. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to create your account and maximize its potential. Choosing between personal and business accounts. Before you create your account, you need to decide personal or business. A personal account is great for casual users who want to discover and save ideas. A business account unlocks powerful tools like analytics, rich pins, and advertising, making it essential for content creators, bloggers, and brands. How to set up your Pinterest account. Creating a Pinterest account is super simple. Just sign up using your email, Google account, or Facebook. Once inside, Pinterest will ask you to choose your interests to personalize your home feed. If you're setting up a personal account, you can start saving pins right away. Business account benefits. If you're planning to use Pinterest for business, upgrading to a business account is a game changer. It lets you claim your website for better search visibility, access analytics to track performance, use rich pins to add product info, article headlines, or recipes, run ads to grow your audience and drive sales. Switching from personal to business account. Already have a personal account? No worries. You can switch to a business account anytime without losing your saved pins or boards. Just head to Pinterest settings and click Convert to Business. Easy. Managing multiple accounts. Want to keep personal and business content separate? You can either create a second Pinterest account with a different login, or use secret boards within your business account to save private pins without affecting your public branding. Verifying your website and using rich pins. If you're serious about growing on Pinterest, claiming your website is a must. It verifies ownership and links your content directly to your profile. Plus, it unlocks rich pins, which automatically display extra info like prices, descriptions, and metadata. Why business accounts are required for monetization. Did you know? Pinterest requires a business account if you're using the platform for monetization, whether you're a blogger, e-commerce seller, or influencer. This ensures compliance with Pinterest's advertising policies and unlocks promotional tools. So, should you go personal or business? If you're just browsing for inspiration, a personal account works fine. But if you want to grow an audience, drive traffic, or monetize, a business account is the way to go. Now that you know how to set up your Pinterest account, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more Pinterest tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Happy pinning!